Hey everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix error 100,150 in Chrono Odyssey. If you're stuck and can't get into the game, don't worry. Just follow these steps. First, the game's official website or status page to check if the servers are currently down. Server issues can often trigger error code 10,150. Additionally, make sure your internet connection is stable and there are no local disconnection problems. If everything appears normal and the error persists, restart your computer. Once your system restarts, open Steam and run it as an administrator. Navigate to your library, then go to Collections and locate the game. Click on the game, go to Installed Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will scan and repair any missing or corrupted files. Next, open the Control Panel by typing Control Panel. Go to Windows Defender Firewall and then select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Temporarily disable both firewall options. While this is not recommended as a long-term solution due to security concerns, it can help in resolving this specific game error. If none of these steps work, contact Chrono Odyssey support. They might be able to help if the error is account-specific or server-related. That's it! If this video helped, you fix error 100150. Give it thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming fixes and tips.